Welcome back to Wild Mom's Chronicle, where even the tiniest lives have the biggest stories. Today, we dive into a microscopic marvel, the world of algae, the green machines of the water, and Zip, the tiny, zippy zooplankton who drift, dart, and dance through their first few months of life. Spoiler alert, they may be small, but they're shaping our entire planet. Let's zoom in and see how they grow, survive, and thrive, no diapers needed. Algae are some of Earth's oldest life forms, over 3.5 billion years old. Found in oceans, ponds, snow, even polar ice. Unlike land plants, they don't have roots, stems, or leaves. But they photosynthesize, using sunlight to make energy, just like plants. Types of algae: green algae, chlorophyta, often found in ponds and freshwater. Fun fact, some live inside coral animals to keep them alive. Brown algae, Phaeophyceae, includes giant kelp forests. Some can grow over 150 feet long. Red algae, Rhodophyta, deepwater specialists with pigments that thrive in low light. Blue-green algae, cyanobacteria, technically bacteria. These helped create our oxygen-rich atmosphere. Fun fact, some algae glow in the dark. Bioluminescent algae light up waves at night, ocean fireworks. Algae reproduce in fascinating ways: asexual, cloning themselves. Sexual, swapping genetic material through gametes. Many can reproduce within hours, a baby boom in every droplet. Form colonies for protection or float solo. Adjust shape and pigment to catch more sunlight, tiny survivalists. Fun fact, some algae make slimy biofilms to stick to rocks, nature's version of cling wrap. While algae catches rays, Zip is on the prowl. Zooplankton equals animal plankton. Microscopic but mighty. Most common, copepods, baby jellyfish, and tiny crustaceans. Drift with the currents but can control direction slightly, like bumper cars in slow motion. Some are born from eggs, others bud off from larger plankton. Many hatches at night to avoid predators, stealth mode activated. Fun fact, some baby zooplankton have transparent bodies to stay invisible. Algae equals primary producers. Zip equals primary consumers. It's the start of nearly every aquatic food chain. Zip eats algae, fish eat zip, and on it goes. Some algae defend themselves with toxins or hard shells. Zip evolves ways to dodge or digest them, mini arms race. It's survival of the tiniest, and it's happening millions of times a second. Fun fact, every breath you take. About 1 in 2 molecules of oxygen came from microscopic algae. Talk about a breath of fresh air. Together, they regulate climate and oxygen levels. Algae absorb more CO2 than all the rainforests combined. Zooplankton poop sinks carbon to the deep ocean, natural carbon capture. Scientists study their patterns to understand climate change. Tiny but mighty, these microparents are raising not just babies, but balancing our world. So next time you look at a puddle, pond, or wave, remember there's a whole world of tiny parents and babies floating through it. Algae and Zip may not cradle or coo, but their parenting is written in sunlight and survival. If you loved this dive into the miniature wild, give us a like, drop a fun algae or plankton fact in the comments, and subscribe for more nature stories from Wild Mom's Chronicle. See you in the next episode.